Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to be using Power BI to create pie chart on the Bing map to visualize the sales distribution. Map visualization enable us to equip with greater ability to understand the distribution of our organization's presence more easily. We can compare the sales performance across several locations at a glance. Okay, let's go for it. In this case, I have an Excel file contains two sheets. We can see inside sales data sheet, we have sales amount here from 5 shops and feed categories including jewelry, watches, and fashion. Another sheet called store location contains shop address with latitude and longitude. If you don't have the latitude and longitude, we can actually get this information from the Bing map. For example, we can open a browser and locate the address on the Bing map, and we can see that we can right click the pinpoint and see the latitude and longitude, and we can just click the copy and we can paste the information to our Excel file and put it into suitable column. Next, I will quickly give a name to these two tables so that they become more meaningful when we operate in the Power BI. So I will format as table and change the name to store. This one is sales. Now we can save the file and go to Power BI and populate the sales data. So the first thing we are going to do is to import the data from Excel file to Power BI. So I will click the Get Data and select the Excel file. And I will choose the two tables and click Load. Okay, we can see that the two tables appears on the right hand fields. If we click the data, we can see that the data are loaded here for further transformation if we need, and relations are automatically established. Now we can go to the report section and select the map visualization. So I'll put the shop name to the location and then drag the latitude and longitude. And the size is based on the sales amount. So I will find the sales amount and drag it to the size. and I will make it a little bit bigger. And then I will put the category to legend so that we can see how's the combination of the cells. Next, we can modify the format property of the map to make it a little bit better. So I'm going to change the data color in the data color. Okay, maybe so the fashion is red, jewelry is and I will switch on the category label. So that we can see the shop name more easier. And I will make the bubbles a little bit bigger to 25. Then I will switch on the zoom button so the user may use the zoom interactively. And we can change the title here. So I will change it to sales amount by category. Since I want to allow the user to analyze the data more interactively, so we can add two slicers from the visualization. And then I will drag the category to the first slicer, and then the region to the second slicer. So I will modify the properties, and I'm going to increase the font size in the items, and I will make it 20. In the selection control, I will switch on the select all option, and I will change the slicer header, increase the font size to 20 also. Then I will use the format painter to copy the format to this slicer. Okay. Okay, the file is ready to be exported. For example, we can change the category. Or we can combine the category. And we can specialize or analyze different region. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video informative and looking forward to catching you in the next video. See you.